AI is moving so fast that the tools you used last year are already outdated. If you want to work smarter, earn faster, and save hours every single day, then you need to start using these brand new AI tools that are trending for 2026. These tools are easy, powerful, and perfect for beginners. Welcome back to the Bright Mind Show, your home for simple AI tutorials and money-making ideas. Let's jump right into tool number 1. Perplexity is the most powerful AI research tool right now, offering real-time answers and comprehensive sources. It provides summaries, comparisons, and fact-check data, making research incredibly efficient. People use Perplexity for assignments, business planning, and generating content ideas. It's also excellent for product research and fast learning, streamlining complex information gathering. If ChatGPT is your writer, Perplexity is definitely your personal researcher. Next up is tool number 2. Gamma AI lets you create stunning presentations, slides, documents, and landing pages in seconds. It automatically handles design, layout, visuals, and formatting, saving countless hours. Students, freelancers, and businesses are leveraging Gamma because it significantly boosts productivity. It uses over 20 AI models for high-quality output and is trusted by more than 50 million users. Gamma allows for consistent branding, gorgeous graphics for social media, and show-stopping proposals. You can even build business websites without coding and export content to various formats like PPT or PDF. Moving on to tool number 3. Short videos are dominating the internet right now, and Opus Clip helps you turn long videos into viral scenes instantly. It automatically picks the best moments, adds captions, and adjusts zoom for maximum impact. Opus Clip also incorporates transitions and improves pacing, making your content look professionally edited. Beginners are using this tool to offer editing services online, creating new earning opportunities. Now for tool number 4. This tool is crazy. Pika Labs allows you to generate full videos using just text descriptions. People are creating ads, story scenes, animations, and cinematic sequences with incredible ease. You can also produce social media content without needing a camera or complex editing software. Just type a description and boom, a full video is generated. Finally, tool number 5. The new ChatGPT app is extremely powerful, offering natural language conversation and screen analysis. It can perform tasks, troubleshoot problems, and generate instant answers, acting as a true digital assistant. It's like having a helpful digital assistant in your ear 24/7, always ready to assist. This is a must-use tool in 2026 for anyone looking to enhance their daily workflow. These are the new AI tools everyone should start using in 2026. Each one saves time, boosts productivity, and opens real earning opportunities. Want the next video in this playlist? Just comment 6 and I'll make it.